Discover the charm of a neighborhood walk. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we are going to embark on a journey through the English language, and our destination is understanding the phrase, neighborhood walk. This seemingly simple phrase is not just about taking a stroll. It's about community, exploration, and the joy of discovering the nooks and crannies of the place we call home. So, lace up your walking shoes, and let's dive into the world of neighborhood walks. A neighborhood walk refers to the act of walking through the area where people live, typically near one's own home. It's not just a form of exercise. It's an opportunity to observe, interact, and connect with the community. During a neighborhood walk, one might greet neighbors, admire gardens, and notice the small changes that make each day unique. Taking a neighborhood walk isn't just good for your physical health. It's beneficial for your mental and social well-being too. Here are some reasons why engaging in this simple activity is so rewarding. 1. Physical health. Walking is a great form of exercise that can improve your fitness. 2. Mental health. It provides a break from the indoor routine, reducing stress and clearing your mind. 3. Social engagement. It's a chance to meet neighbors and strengthen community ties. 4. Local discovery. Every walk is a chance to discover something new about your neighborhood. To truly enjoy and benefit from your neighborhood walks, consider these tips. 1. Observe. Look around at the houses, gardens, and any public art or decorations. 2. Engage. If you see neighbors, a friendly greeting or conversation can make your walk more enjoyable. 3. Vary your route. Try different paths to keep your walks interesting and discover new aspects of your neighborhood. 4. Respect privacy. While it's great to observe and engage, always be mindful of people's privacy and space. In conclusion, a neighborhood walk is much more than just a stroll. It's a journey through the heart of your community. It offers a unique blend of physical exercise, mental relaxation, social interaction, and local discovery. We hope this video inspires you to explore your neighborhood on foot and experience the simple joy and the myriad benefits it brings. Happy walking, and see you in the next video.